Do you know you can use multiple numbers to make deposit on one Sportybet account? Yes, that is if you have different number or different numbers that you want to use to make deposit on your already existing Sportybet account, you can use those numbers to add money or deposit fund on your Sportybet account. And all that you have to do is that you log into your Sportybet account, you go to the menu section, then at the menu section you navigate to deposit. You click on the deposit, and when you click on deposit, you will see it says switch, as you can see. Then on the switch, if you click there, you are going to add new mobile number. That is, you use the new mobile number to also use to make deposit on your Sportybet account. Okay, so when you click there, then you click on the switch, and you see it says add new number. So you click on the add new number, then you add your new number that you can use to make deposit on your already existing Sportybet account. But there are terms and conditions attached to the adding of new number to your already existing Sportybet account. The terms are: one, you need to make sure that the new number that you are adding to your Sportybet account, it bears the name which is the same to your already existing Sportybet account name. Okay, that is, the mobile money name on the new number should be the same as the name on my Sportybet account. And also, this new number, it's only applicable if and only if you want to make deposit on your Sportybet account. So if you use different number to make deposit on your Sportybet account and you win and you want to withdraw, you withdraw it to your already existing Sportybet account. And also, one thing is that the new number that you are going to add, if it has been used to register Sportybet already, you cannot add such number. And also, the number that you are going to add, if it is not registered on mobile money, you cannot use that number too as well. And the last thing is that before you be able to access this new feature, unless you update your Sportybet app or use the Sportybet web to access this new feature, so as to help you add your new numbers to your already existing Sportybet account for seamless deposits. Okay, so this is how you can add your new number to your already existing Sportybet account. You have a seamless deposit on your Sportybet account. As the name goes, here's the Talk Tech. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.